trying to become a dragon-type gym leader. Today, I let Applin stay home and read some books. Like this comment said, me and Gibbon are now gonna go outside on a walk to find sand. While we were walking, I was searching for Chew Pokemon. So yeah, these Chew. I also saw some new stuff around here. And then we made it. But there was a Pidgeotto that swooped in to attack. Gibbon got hit but attacked back. And then Gibbon was going for the last hit, but Pidgeotto flew away. So it was a decent day, but I will have an announcement next time. See ya!